Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video we're going to be looking at some more advanced selectors in CSS. Okay, so I added this buy now section, you won't regret it, this is the best product ever, to the top and to the bottom of the page here, and I added some links in different places on the page. But as you can see, we have a problem. All of these links, they're showing up just like these navbar links, and we don't want that. We want these to be looking like normal links, not navbar links. So, what can we find in our HTML to help us with our CSS? We have this nav element that the links are inside, and we can actually use that in our CSS because these links are inside the nav. We'll come over here and say nav space A. This is going to select all of these links that are inside of or descendants of nav elements, and we'll do the same thing down here. Save, refresh, and now only these links are being selected and styled like this, and the rest of these look just like normal links. Now, how can we style these links? Well, come down here. They are all inside of articles, inside of sections, inside of paragraphs. So we'll say article, section, paragraph A. We'll style that. And we'll say color red. Alright. Perfect. Now we can actually remove this. We can remove the paragraph because all these A links, they're still descendants of the section elements. Still works. We can remove the section because they're still all descendants of articles. That works. We can actually remove the article selector too, and it still works. Now, why is it not messing up this up here and like turning it red or something? Well, that's because this selector, it has this rule, color blue, that would override color red, and it does because this selector is more specific than this selector. Now, CSS selector specificity is somewhat of an advanced topic, but here it's pretty easy to see that this selector is selecting all A links inside of navs is more specific than selecting just all links. Okay. Now we want to style these buy now links separately from these links. But in the HTML, there's really not much that we have a handle on, you know. It's still article, section, paragraph, A. So what we can do is we can add a class in the HTML of, say, buy now. And add the same class down here on this link too, class buy now. Now this, adding a class doesn't actually change how anything looks, but we can use that as a handle in our CSS. We'll say a.buy now, and font size 30 pixels, make it nice and big. And now we have nice big buy now links. Interesting thing about the CSS classes is that you can remove the A there and it'll just select everything that has a class of buy now, and it won't worry about what the element is. So save, refresh, still works. But now we can take this class and add it to, say, this paragraph. It no longer has to be a link. And now we have a nice big paragraph. But we don't want that. We just want to style the links that way. Cool. Alright everybody, there's an introduction to some slightly more advanced CSS selectors. We have the Descendant Selector, a little bit about selector specificity, and we have this class selector. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Jacob, and have a good one.